Hi guys, today we talk about Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus versus Xiaomi 14 Ultra. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus launched on October 2024. The price tag is not available at this time. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra launched on February 2024. The price tag is $999. The dimensions of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus: height 6.4 inch, width 3.1 inch, thickness 8.3 mm. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra: height 6.35, width 2.96, thickness 9.2 mm. The weight of Xiaomi 14 Ultra 229 gram and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus 227 gram, and the build front and back glass in both devices. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with aluminium frame and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with titanium frame, and the both welcome with dual SIM nano SIM card support. The display of the devices: Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with LTPO AMOLED 68 billion color screen type. The screen size of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is 6.82 inches and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with 6.73 inches, and the resolution: Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with 2K screen resolution, Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 1.5K screen resolution. The PPA density of Xiaomi 14 Ultra is 522 and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus 449. The both mobile come with 120Hz refresh rate. The screen to body ratio: Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 89.1% screen to body ratio. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with 89.6%. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with Xiaomi Shield Glass and the Huawei 70 Pro Plus come with Huawei Kunlun Glass 3. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 5000 nits peak of brightness. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with 3000 nits peak of brightness. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom and micro camera. It has dual LED flash, panorama HDR, and it records 4K 120 fps video. The Xiaomi 14 Pro Ultra come with quad camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide 1 inch sensor, 50 megapixel telephoto, 3.2x optical zoom, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, 5x optical zoom, 50 megapixel ultra wide and TOF 3D depth sensor, and it has like a lens, dual LED flash, HDR, panorama, and it scored 8K 30fps video. The selfie camera: Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 60fps video record. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 13 megapixel selfie camera and a TOF 3D biometric sensor, and it record 4K 60fps video. The platform: Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with octa-core Cortex X4 3.3 GHz CPU. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with octa-core CPU with Titan Big 3.43 GHz CPU. The chipset: Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with Kirin 10003nm chipset and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset, and the GPU: Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with Melon 931 GHz GPU and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with Adreno 750 GPU. The operating system of Xiaomi 14 Ultra is Android 14 HyperOS, and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with Harmony OS 5.1. The memory of these devices: Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 16 gigs of RAM and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM. The internal storage: Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage. Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with 256 gigs, 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The battery backup of these devices: Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 5200 mAh battery. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with 5300 mAh battery. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra support 90W fast wired charging and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus support 100W fast charging. Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus support 88W fast wireless charging and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra support 80W fast wireless charging, and the both mobile come with 5G network support. The commons and the features: the Xiaomi 14, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, Face ID unlocking, Type-C 3.2, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.1, IP68, water and dust resistant, SOS system via satellites, calls and messages. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, infrared port, Type-C 3.2, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0, IP68 dust and water resistant. and SOS system via satellites, calls, and messages. The result of these devices, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra got 21 points and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus got 24 points.